It's easy to add instant glamour and depth to your eyes with Ardell Strip Lashes. Have your lashes and application tools ready. Ardell Strip Lashes, Lash Grip Adhesive, small scissors, tweezers. If you have straight lashes, you may want to curl them or add a little bit of mascara first for better application. Put on your makeup before you apply strip lashes. To check the fit of your lashes, carefully peel the lash from the tray. Use tweezers to pick up strip lash, then place it on top of your natural lash. Begin at the inner corner where your lashes start to see if it fits your eye. If it extends beyond your lash line, take scissors and trim. Apply lash adhesive. Squeeze tube gently while applying the adhesive directly from the tube onto the lash. Wait about 30 seconds for the adhesive to set. Holding the lash with your tweezers, align with the center of your eye and place the strip lash on top of your own eyelash. Position it as close to your natural lash line as possible. Use your fingertips to gently press the lash in place. Now, wasn't that easy? To remove your lashes, gently peel off. Always remove your lashes before going to bed and clean so they can be used again.